Is there a better way to demo a product or service? There are 3 basic ways to demo a product or service. 1. One-on-one demos. Real-time demonstrations with face-to-face clients. 2. Video demos. Video recordings of demonstrations that can be re-watched on demand. 3. Interactive demos. Real-time demonstration not made in person. There is a product walkthrough that takes the prospect through the process and completes the demo by completing tasks related to the unveiling and moving the presentation forward. The most economical and automated way to demonstrate a product is through video. The video should discuss the issue that the product solves and lead to showcasing the product and the offer. The product demo has to show the value of the product and educate about the product at the same time.